What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another tutorial vid. I decided to go over the concept of YouTube because, well, when I started my why is this thing still here? When I started YouTube, I thought it'd just be a simple procedure, just create an account like any other game, like username, email, password, things like that. But man, was I dead wrong. It was a huge pain in the butt. And to be fair, most popular YouTubers that I watch, yes, I watch other YouTubers because, hey, this is YouTube, might as well enjoy it. Like they're always like, people ask me, what equipment should I use? What things like that? And they're just like, doesn't matter what equipment. I'm just like, are you serious? It doesn't matter what equipment. I mean, if you want to have a horrible YouTube channel, then sure, it doesn't matter. Get no equipment and you'll fail. But you will need some equipment, I guess. I mean, YouTubers aren't like super, don't just like say, okay, you need this, because then they're probably just like, oh, there, you have pressure on yourself to get that stuff. Now, what I find is one, if you want to record videos of gaming and stuff, then gaming or tutorial vids on the computer or anything of the sort, then you will need a screen recorder or something of the sorts. Right now, I've said this in past videos that I use Screencastify. That's a really good one in my opinion. Now, I'm never now you won't now if I am sponsoring something, I will say that I am because I'm just doing this because they work really well and I feel like they should get some attention. I mean, I won't mind if I get money for it because hey, free money for free sponsoring and whatnot, but they work really well. So Screencastify works well in the fact that all you have to do, press this button, and a window will come up. If I could show that window completely, then that would be nice, but this is what's showing right now since I'm recording. Your desktop is being recorded. I can just restart, pause, or stop. Now, there are multiple options such as record the desktop. Now, from what I know, I think this is free. Let's check Screencastify. Now, since I am using a school computer, this came with it. Like I said, I have other computers I could use if they weren't out of battery right now. But okay, so it does appear to cost money. I mean, I don't know if I have the free version or not, but from what it seems like, I do have the free version, and it does have four out of 5 stars. That's pretty good, to be honest. I actually have never checked any of this because I've had no reason. But actually, it looks like it's free. I think it is free. So if it's free, that's great because, well, free screen recorder. Now, if you have a camera on your computer, since this is a laptop, it came with the camera at the top. You can kind of see the little circle thing and an internal microphone, which works great for recording videos. Now, if you have a computer with like the hard drive and whatnot that doesn't come with an internal camera or microphone, for a screen recorder, you take my advice. Don't use a video camera to record you playing on a computer. I have seen videos like that, and it's just super cringy and stressful to me. I don't get why, it just is, but it's just super cringy and whatnot. Sorry, I was just getting a drink. Like, it's just the screen's always moving and stuff. I mean, sure, if you have a tripod, it'll be a little bit better, but use a screen recorder. Now, I know you big YouTubers like Jacksepticeye, Matt Shea, PewDiePie, you see them playing games on their phones and whatnot. and other devices, and they seem to do it really well. I don't know how, but they just do. Well, now, if you're using a computer that doesn't have all this stuff and you want to do better, you want to do stuff with a microphone, you can get headphones that have a microphone like already attached to them, and you can get some sort of program for recording. Let's see how long I've been recording. I don't want to record too long. You can get you can and then like hook up the headphones to the computer and get something that will record sound. Now, I personally don't have anything for recording sound just yet. I mean, I do have a computer that I actually had to get a headset and whatnot, but I've been too lazy to record sound. Hence, why some of my videos don't have me talking. Now, another thing, if you do a YouTube channel, well, take my advice. If you want to be anonymous, is you don't have to show your face at all. You can just talk, and pretty much no one will figure out who you are. I mean, take H2O Delirious, for example. If you don't know who he is, look him up. He's a really, really popular YouTuber, and he's still anonymous. Nobody knows who he is. As a matter of fact, the only person, this is a true fact, the only person that knows who H2O Delirious is another YouTuber called The Real Cartoons, because he dated H2O Delirious' sister. So, that's an interesting fact for you. The only way that one person figured out who he was by dating his sister. So, going anonymous on YouTube, you can talk all you want, use your voice. You just don't have to show your face, and nobody will know who you are. Now, there are different ways for setting up a YouTube channel. Now, me personally, why are none of the buttons working? I'm just gonna... Okay, there we go. Now, this is my YouTube channel as it is. If I come to playlist and videos, it says I have nothing there, which is wrong, because it takes like 1 or 2 days for things to show up, because I even have 5 views, and you can't have views without videos. So actually, I have 11 videos. I have a coding video, and me playing Roblox, because as that already has a screen recorder. Roblox already has a built-in screen recorder, which is useful if you don't feel like buying a screen recorder. You can just play Roblox and their screen recorder's already built into the games, which is nice. Now, you have all these options. Now, when you first make your YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is enable it for videos and whatnot. Otherwise, you're just a channel that can subscribe to other channels and nothing else. Once you enable it for videos, you can start uploading. Now, nothing else there is challenging. Oh, hi, puppy. My dog just came over to say hi to me. He's a sweet doggy. His name is Ozzy. Hi. Hi, doggy. Hi, puppy. Hi. But back to the topic. So, you can edit things if you come to the home. You can edit things for returning subscribers, like uploads. Now, if nothing shows up or changes when you change some settings at first, don't freak out. Oh, that's normal. It'll probably take maybe a few hours to a few days for it to change and show up on there, which is why it doesn't show any videos or playlist, even though I clearly have stuff post. I even showed you. Now, nothing else will show up. If you come to About, I have my description. I have my email here, because I don't care if people email me. I mean, I will have to have some separate emails and whatnot, but that's for later. And my location. And you can have links to websites and junk for things. Now, you can see when I joined YouTube. Now, it can get confusing because there are settings you have to go through sometimes. And I don't know, I'm just rambling. I'm even confusing myself and whatnot. Oh, here's overview. Now, one tricky thing for YouTube is depending on what thing you have, like here, if I click on this, edit on Google, if I click to edit my name, well, let's fix, well, crap, I disappeared, I guess. Gosh dang it! Why does nothing work? Why? Oh my gosh, this is so irritating. I'll have, you know what? Maybe I will edit this, and that'll be the first edit I ever do. But then again, I do like hearing the sound of my own voice. I'm just kidding. Okay, come back to settings. Now, if you click edit on Google to edit your name, now I have Gmail, and when I come to edit this, if I were to click here, why isn't it letting me edit it? But you have your picture, you have like a little background thing. By the way, people, this birthday is wrong. I made a random birthday, so just because I want to stay anonymous, and I knew that eventually some information about me would be shown. I mean, I am a boy. I mean, I think my voice thinks for myself. I think my voice speaks for itself. But my birthday is wrong, so don't think this is my real birthday, because it's not. Now, if I come to edit my name, I don't know why I can't, but oh, here we go. Now, this is my first and last name because for Gmail, for some reason, I couldn't figure out how to change the name correctly. I mean, I know there are information videos on how to do it, and you just change your name, and it's as simple as that. But for me, it wasn't, and it was confusing. So I had to make an entirely separate email where my first name was Speedmaster24 and my last name was this dash. Hence why there's a dash in my YouTube account. So the dash isn't supposed to be there, but it's there just because. Why the heck not? Oh, puppy, get down from there. You want to go outside, puppy? 1 second, I'm laying my dog out. And I mean, I know if you click here, like let's say I just add G to the nickname and I click here, you'll have an option with like parentheses and that. I don't get it. I just don't. I really don't. I wish I did, but I don't. So, for me, I had to make an entirely separate email where my name is Speedmaster24 with a dash because I failed before. Now, account type YouTube Red, and if you don't know what that is, that's pretty much a paid YouTube where bigger and better things like movies and all that stuff. Now view account settings, and that just takes you to your email page. Now connected accounts, you can have connected accounts. Actually, I should connect my Twitter, but you can connect things and whatnot. Now there's the privacy options, where you can just change things like that, notifications to subscribers and whatnot, and to you. Send me emails about YouTube activity, accept emails I've unsubscribed from, only send me required service announcement emails, that sort of thing. General updates. Actually, I want both of those checked. I don't know why that's not checked. Desktop notifications. Channel subscriptions, you always get notifications you've turned on for individual channels. Whatnot. And then, there's other options like that. Now, you can explore all these in your own time. I'm personally not going to explain everything there is to know about YouTube, because, yes, I'm lazy. Who isn't? Who's not lazy? If you say you've never been lazy in your entire life, liar. Liar. Pants on fire. Lazy, lazy, lazy. So that's about it for it. Here's the creator view post button, and then there's the notifications button. Now, Creator Studio just brings you to this page and channel editor. If I come to my channel, this is the edit channel button. Now, I don't have channel art. If you want to submit channel art, fine by me. I might use it actually. But other than that, that's been this video for you. If you have questions, just ask them in the comments, and I'll edit the description and in explaining things that I didn't and whatnot. You can even make like a little channel trailer or other things like that. So yeah. Well, that's the end of the video, people.